Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of sending files with Dropbox. Whether you need to share documents, photos, or videos, Dropbox makes it easy to collaborate with others or simply share files. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Dropbox account. If you don't have a Dropbox account yet, visit the Dropbox website and sign up for a free account. You can register using your email address or link it to your Google account for convenience. Step 2. Log in to your Dropbox account. Once you have your account set up, log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app or accessing the website from a modern web browser for the best experience. Step 3. Upload your files. Upload. In your Dropbox dashboard, click on the Upload button. You can choose to upload files individually or select multiple files at once. You can upload files by dragging and dropping them into your Dropbox window or by selecting them from your computer. Step 4. Organize your files. Optional. If you'd like to keep your files organized, consider creating folders. Click on the New Folder option, give it a name, and then drag your uploaded files into the appropriate folders for easy access and sharing. Step 5. Share your files. To share a file or folder, hover over the item and click on the Share button that appears. You'll have the option to enter the email addresses of those you want to share the file with. You can also change the sharing settings to allow others to edit or just view the files. Step 6. Generate a shareable link. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link for the file or folder. Click on Create Link after selecting the Share option. Copy the link, and you can then send it via email, instant messaging, or any platform of your choice. Step 7. Manage permissions. After sharing, you can manage the permissions by clicking on Who has access on shared files. You can adjust settings, such as allowing edit access or revoking access if necessary. Step 8. Notify your recipients. Once you've shared the files or folders, it's a good idea to notify your recipients, especially if they are expecting the files. Just drop them a quick email or message with the details. Don't forget, if you find this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.